Alright guys, good day guys. Welcome to Codes Connect. Actually today we'll be talking more about creating and Who Wants to Be a Millionaire game. Right, so here is kind of the outline for the game, how the game will look like. Right. The first step we are going to go through the game is we're going to show you guys how to create a new project. Second step to design the interface. Third step, the interface is pretty much has lots of design, so it's going to take 3 whole steps for that design, if not more. If it takes more, we'll also let you guys know. Then we need to work with our tools, write the code, the timer, some other functionalities. Those all will come into play later. But first, let's walk you guys through how to create a new project, and let's introduce you to the IDE interface of the Visual Studio. We'll be using Visual Studio 2010. Right? So I'm going to open my Visual Studio. Click on my Visual Studio. If you don't see yours, you can go to your startup button, go to all programs, search for your Visual Studio, and there you go. Alright, now first we'll create a new project. Like there is a new project. You can create a new project from here, or you can go to the file. Look at file, new projects. All works fine. But yeah, I think here is quicker. So just new projects. You'll be using Visual Basic and it's a Windows form. So rename this application. Can name it whatever you like, but I'm naming it the Millionaire. Alright, Millionaire. And now click on the OK button. Then we'll wait for the right loading. Okay, here we go. So this is the form. This is how the form of Visual Studio looks like. Baby. Remember, the first task is step 1, showing you guys how to create a new project. And during this video, we'll be walking you through the ID of the Visual Studio 2010. To your left, you have the data source. This is where you can connect to your database. We'll get to that if we need that. Then here is your toolbox. Alright, we'll be working with this toolbox like practically all the time. We'll need it. Everything we need to make this project come true, to make it a success, is in this toolbox. Alright, now here is the toolbox. Then to the right, you have your Solution Explorer. This one is like the house for your projects. Everything about your project is here. Your pictures, your form, your code view, whatever, they are stored here. Folders, everything is stored in this Solution Explorer. Then the another important thing we also take note of is the properties window here. Yeah, the properties. Now the property window shows you everything about a particular control. Alright, for example, if I add a button, yeah, I can just write the button here. For example, you see every of the controls has their own properties and how to set them. So this is the text in the button, so I can just like change it a little and say voila, it changes to bottle. I can change this to whatever, maybe let's take it to bot, change this to bot. Now you can change the text of a button by just locating the text in the properties, click on it, then you delete or you add whatever you want to add, just like that. So anything we want to do with our controls and with our form, we'll make use of the toolbox. There is where our controls are. Then we'll make use of the properties windows to modify them, to make them more beautiful, more attractive. Yeah, something like that. So this is what we want you guys to get in this first video. We're going to upload the second video, and that second video we are going to get into the design of the interface proper. You can see the Windows form is not that beautiful yet, but don't worry, when you come back for the next video, you'll see everything and the process of the design, making the interface more beautiful and all that. So please don't forget to like the channel, subscribe to the channel, invite friends to subscribe. We really appreciate it. So I think that is all for today. Hope you get the video. It's not too long. We're not planning to make it too long. We'll just make it to be brief. Then Next video we get to the work proper, how to design the interface. Alright, see you guys in the next video. But please like the video, subscribe, comment, whatever is in your mind. We really appreciate that, so that we get to work with you guys. Yeah, it's a very nice project, and I hope you get to create a millionaire game of yours and share with your friends. Alright, thank you. So that will be it. See you next time. And thank you.